Okay, YouTube, today I'm going to show you totally gangster with the Chicago Typewriter Thompson, which is down there. It's a 1928 Chicago Typewriter Thompson, full metal body, but it's plastic wood. But yeah, around 450 round drum magazine, also made of metal. So yeah, to put the BBs in, it's quite easy. All you do, you just put it in here. I know I dropped a whole bunch on the floor, I don't give a shit. And then close it back right here. Oops. Put it in. Wind it up. This might take a minute. When you hear this, that means it's done. Now we'll go over here and do it. So yeah, okay. First, you put the stock under your arms. It's basically this. Not that hard. This isn't a real gun, so there won't be a recoil. And then, me and my friend, we did this in an airsoft floor. We just walk slowly and shoot. And then, that's the beauty of Thompson's. So, basically like this again. So, yeah. So basically that's it. So yeah, I don't know why I did this video. I'm just bored. I'm just trying to think of something. So this is the 1928 Chicago Typewriter Thompson, and see you later.